Let's get a check of our forecast with Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. Dave, how's it looking out there?
Pretty nice this evening, Carly. No major problems out there for us here. Dry weather expected for much of the week. Very little rain out there as we go for the work week here. So the drought, unfortunately, going to be getting worse. Temperatures will be changing later this week, cooling down a little bit. Highs in the lower 80s versus near 90, and lows may actually get in the upper 50s. And we're still watching the tropics there with Humberto and Imelda out there. Nothing we have to worry about, though, here in Alabama, which is some good news. Right now, partly cloudy, 86 here in Birmingham from our BJCC camera, looking pretty downtown. Dew point of 60, just comfortable humidity out there. It's 90, though, down in Moundville, but 86 in Jasper through Talladega now. Asheville, 87, 88, Alabaster, Lineville down to 80 degrees. Have a couple of stray showers working the way north of Tuscaloosa between Highway 43 and Highway 69 down I-20 there as well, just before you get down toward Greene County. Not a lot of rain, but just a hit or miss shower, and that's all really we're looking at the next couple of days. We do have this northeasterly flow in place here, and it's all actually coming from what is Imelda down here across the Bahamas, just off the coast of Florida, and a little upper level low spinning near Charlotte. That's helping to give us that flow and could give us a couple of showers the next couple of days if we're lucky. Right now, the latest with Imelda is a 4 o'clock update here, moving north at 9, winds at 65. It's getting stronger and is expected to become a hurricane by tomorrow morning, working its way here due east, so away from the United States. A lot different from what I showed you on Friday, kind of working its way toward Hamilton there, Bermuda, and then look at that, Category 2, but it'll be out at sea, so not a threat. And that other wind area is Humberto, and you can see here, this one's still a very powerful Category 4 hurricane. Will gradually weaken as it goes around Bermuda there and going out to sea as well. Both of these systems going to be more fish storms than anything else. Now, while we have Imelda here spinning, we still have this upper level low up here inland, and that could help to bring a little energy our way for tomorrow, possibly giving us a shower or two. You can see on Futurecast maybe 1 or 2 showers this evening, most of us staying fairly dry through 7 o'clock. As we head throughout tomorrow morning, we're looking at a quiet morning. Some cloud cover farther east, again from Imelda there. And then that upper level low I was telling you about could give us a couple of showers during the afternoon hours on Tuesday. Most of you will stay dry, but just know we could see a few of them developing during the afternoon into the early evening hours. And as we get to about 11:30 on Tuesday, most of that rain's coming to an end. So your forecast this evening, though, does call for maybe a sprinkle through 7 o'clock. Temperatures fall into the upper 60s by 3 o'clock in the morning. Overnight tonight, we'll see lows in the lower to middle 60s, about 66 here in town. But get ready for the heat tomorrow. Back to 88 here, 90 Tuscaloosa, 87 in Gadsden, back toward the Alabaster area with more of those temperatures trending upward. And then high pressure builds in as we get to the latter part of the week here, keeping most of us dry, but we'll draw down some lower humidity and cooler temperatures as we start into Friday. You can see here not much in the way of rain until potentially Sunday and Monday, and that's as some humidity comes back up. But notice little to no rain, 1/100 of an inch if we're lucky, and that humidity pretty comfortable, but it does start creeping up for the weekend, and that's when that chance for rain goes back up as well. So 88 on Tuesday, but look at this, 83 Friday and Saturday, lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s before some spotty showers return Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week.